In a sharp mouth, no flies enter. This is an African proverb. The African proverb meant that when you keep quiet, you learn and you don't invite trouble through your silence. But chances are higher when you talk, you're most likely to invite trouble, and secondly, you will not give chance for you to learn. Of course, when you open your mouth in a layman thinking, chances are high that flies may try to enter. But psychologically or poetically, this African proverb is meaning that when you keep quiet, you avoid trouble. But when you talk, people who like talking a lot, you invite trouble. Thanks to the African proverb.
But if you carry on abusing, you'll be robbed from us.